I think there is no vagueness in the law, nor there is any ambiguity. We have laws as such all around the world. There might be two of the problems that people were raising. The first one is the offense or the way in which it is incriminated by imprisonment of 3 to 15 years. Imprisonment of that high a number of the years in terms of each of the offense, which many of the offender might be acting in a string of actions. Then 3 years times 4, that's 12. If 15 times 4, that will be 60. The second thing is the way in which each person is able to bring a suit or bring a charge to the police against any person alleged to have been committed such crime. This is administrative issue. Amendments, revisions may be able to come under those two aspects.
So you think that sometimes the penalty is deemed quite too harsh or too high or too long?
It was during the time when Field Marshal Sarit Thanarat found that if the offense, the penalizing is too low, people might be insulting, people might be defaming, or people might be threatening the king too much. Right. Therefore, he proposed for raising of the offense from 3 up to 15 years. So if we look back, does it have to be that stringent as compared to many other offenses under the criminal law? For example, raping, murdering.
But in terms of, for example, wearing certain dresses in certain ways, that is in itself is not breaking any laws, but it is deemed as mocking of certain members of the royal family. How do we draw this line?
In any society, there are taboos, there are prohibitions, there are respects. If you're mocking someone, you have to know who you are mocking. Some of the religion, you mock a figure in that religion, they kill you. They stage a war on you. Okay, so it's the same. That king, queen in some country might be mocked, but to me, I disapprove those mocking because I think these people are reverent, are people who need to be respected. When you are mocking someone, it's insulting. If sanity is there, then I don't think a person will do it without intent. Right. So I think proven intent is not that hard.
A lot of charges are brought not with the intent to really, protect what we aim to protect, but more like a smear campaign, a political game. How do we prevent this from happening?
I think we have to establish a system in which this sort of charge is to be taken. It must be that once a police is informed, that particular police or that particular police station is not able to take the charge themselves. They will have to send this to a committee, and the committee members might consist of the police, academics, and people in many walks of life. In order for the committee to be most justifiable, in order to take the issue, then send it to another committee of the Attorney General.